Whoop. Look at him, he already going. Ooh.
Touchy.
Yes.
So just be smooth. That's all you got to do. Just lightly apply throttle. It's so this has like
it's getting me nervous because it's so. It's been a minute. I'm used to the vert.
How fast are you going?
9.
Where are we going?
This way.
Okay, but we're not going 9 miles an hour the whole way. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
Accelerate 4 RPMs. 4 RPMs a shift. It's not rocket science. Just do it. Just do it. Go and get with the flow. Feel the motion. Third gear. What's the speed limit here?
35.
How fast you going?
27.
Well, then what do we?
Space?
Speed limit is what?
35.
Do speed limit. See how uppity bucky you are? Give it gas, son. Go ahead. Yeah, keep shifting. Get to 35. Accelerate like you mean to get there, then go to 35. And when you're at 35, then cool. Hit 4th gear and then cruise. Accelerate like you mean it. Ooh, failure. Start it up. Started while I was rolling up and accelerate like you made it. Oh, you tripping.
I'm nervous.
You get nervous, go. How you what? Oh, stop hitting the pedal so hard. Smooth acceleration. 2nd gear. Oh god.
I still can't press the clutch.
Doesn't matter, you're pressing it all too hard. Where are we going?
No, you tell me.
Turn it. Turn out. You don't have the perception yet. Do you know how to reach reverse? You can leave it here.
Nope. Yep. I like the dash there. Feels good.
What's up?
Feels good. This.
The wheel
Yeah.
feels good. Gotcha. What do you think about this car versus the other ones?
I like this more.
Why?
I think since I've understand this and since they're kind of the same chassis in a way.
Kind of, it is.
Well, since it is the same chassis, since the problem I was really having last time in that was going up the hill, but now I know we didn't really go up too much hills, but majority of ones we went up, I got more of a feel of pressing in the clutch, letting it out, and then taking.
Now, why do you think that?
Probably just because now I'm getting more comfortable with the clutch being in.
Well, you know what else too with this? So everything is rigid, engine mounts, transmission mounts, and everything. So when you let that clutch out, you felt the energy more. You felt the energy quicker. Those cars just, it's soft, it's sluggish, it's a street car. So even though this looks exactly the same and it's not all loud and brolic, race car doesn't always mean super powerful. It just means equipped to do what it's got to do. So this one with the tighter engine mounts and everything, you felt the energy transfer a little bit better. And see how bucky it was on the throttle?
Yeah.
Because that energy isn't being lost anywhere. It is just boom. So you have to, that's what the emphasis is on being smooth. And I was telling you be smooth in the other car. That's the emphasis. That's the difference. Because you see that right there, it feels like you keep getting, you was punching me. You know what I'm saying? You keep getting punched with acceleration if you don't just commit and be smooth. So it's a easy roll on to start, and then you know, go do your thing. But yeah, I mean, that's why I picked this car, because I figured that you would like it. I figured you'd enjoy it. And obviously, like, I want to thrash in it too. But since you're getting tall enough, I was thinking about that the other day. So when I put the seat in, this new seat, I just set it forward a little bit more than, you know, normal. It's still comfortable for me, but it's something cool for you. So yeah, we got to get either, we can get seat pads or just rock with that, get a black pillowcase. But I mean, yeah, either or, but that's cool. So pretty soon we won't have to change too many things on the cars when we drive, when we swap driving. Yeah. It'll just be you jump in, I jump in, you jump in, I jump in. So good job, man.
Thank you.
Did all right.
Yeah, I mean, I've been away.
What?
You've been doing all the driving.
Oh,
Super
yeah.
D and back.
Huh?
Super D and back.
Yeah. We're going to start driving a lot more this year. 2021, we're going to do a whole lot more. So, you know what we got to do, though, because you did the donuts, but we got to do figure eights.
Yeah, see, that's what I was also thinking about. Figure eights, it just comes down to, don't you have to flick it from going this way?
Yeah, it's super simple. You know what to do. You know how to do it. It's not, it's, yeah.
I know, but, you know, because I drive outrageous. And
you are very heavy on the pedal. I ain't gonna cap. You be out here standing on it. It was funny. That's why I was laughing so hard at, because I was like, damn, you drove the car with more, it was more demon time than I be on. You was standing on that thing. So yeah, you're gonna be breaking my so I'm gonna
just have to learn to fix it.
Yeah, okay.
What?
I'm gonna be the one having to fix it. But yeah.
I'll watch over you while you fix it.
That boy said he gonna manage me fixing car real
I
quick.
seen you grab the pillow and I seen you open up this. I'm like, all right, he wants me to drive. So that's why I ran, put on my shoe, and I'm like, I was waiting for you. So I already knew what time it was, so. What?
All right, yo, we out.